Then we have another thing which is called as sound quality. When I say sound quality, it is all about what we hear. Uska quality. You can differentiate between a voice, like a small toddler's voice and a young person voice. You can differentiate between a girl's voice and a man's voice, boy's voice. So that depends on the sound quality, what we hear.
Yes.
Fine. So we are able to differentiate between sounds from different sources based on their quality. So now what is quality? So this sound quality depends on three things. एक होता है pitch, दूसरा होता है loudness, तीसरा होता है waveform. Fine. So what is pitch? So pitch is to do with frequency.
High pitch का वही मतलब होता है ना, high frequency.
Yes, higher the pitch means more is the frequency. Higher the pitch means more the frequency. And higher the pitch, shriller is the sound.
Shriller का मतलब?
बता रहा हूँ. Like women have shriller voice. Like women का जो voice होता है वो बहुत ही पतला, ठीक है?
अच्छा, मतलब deep voice नहीं.
हाँ, deep voice. Men have blunt voice, ठीक है? So आदमी और औरत में, men and women में, women have higher frequency when they